What's the meaning of armband? Armband. Armband.
Armband. Armband. An armband is a piece of cloth or other material worn around the upper arm. It can serve various purposes such as identification, decoration, or support. Armbands have been used throughout history by military personnel, athletes, public officials, and civilians. They can be plain or adorned with symbols, logos, or text. Some armbands are designed to commemorate events or causes. Armbands can also be used for medical purposes, such as holding devices in place or providing compression. Overall, armbands serve as a versatile accessory that can convey information and express personal style.